Shake, 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 Sinora. Shake it all the time.
Morning.
Sinora. Walk your body line.
Hope you've all had your breakfast.
Shake it all the time.
For a have. We'll get going in just a second. I need Death Ryman. Aliad's now.
It's a hurricane in all kind of weather. Jump with the line. Shake your body and jump with the line.
We've had a bottle of water. Everyone's got a bottle of water somewhere handy so we can keep taking sips whenever we need them.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump with the line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time.
So just before we get started, we're just going to make sure that your space is really clear so you haven't got any wires, any breakable things, pets, siblings in the way, so you can keep yourself safe as we dance today. So a big clear space where you can reach those arms out side to side and front and back, and those legs without knocking into anything. And of course you've got a grown-up with you to keep you company and also to be there if there's anything that goes wrong. Okay guys? Mae pawb gyda person gyda nhw I edrych ar ôl nhw yn y session. Yeah, rwy'n credu dylen ni dechrau. So I think we should make a start. So we're going to start really simple today just by walking around your space. Let's wake up those bodies.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line.
Shake,
shake, shake, Sinora, shake it all the time.
Work,
Sinora,
and then say freeze, freeze,
shake, shake,
and you're going to make a shape. Whenever I say freeze, you're going to make any shape you like. It can be a shape, it can be a small shape, it can be a tall shape, it can be a wide shape, any shape. Okay, let's keep going. Now, don't fast.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
And freeze.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Go.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Okay, shake, fast.
Shake, Sinora, shake your body line.
And go for the mouth now, a little bit faster.
Shake it all the time. Work, work, work,
and
work your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Sinora dances calypso, right to left is the tempo. When sensation, she goes up in the air.
Yeah, so next time we have a freeze, we're going to do a wide shape, as wide as you can. Here we go. This time let's skip. Skip your gumpas.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Ara, stay. Next time, a tall shape. That towel. Diane and Gallus this time. And switch. Switch. Freeze. Balance on one leg. You twist up. Diane pub. How about the other leg? Centering close. Diane. Shake mass. So, if you're working out at home today, doing a dance session at your home, you can chat with us whenever you like on the chat. I've got my good pal Gemma with me today, so she'll be replying to all your comments and she'll let me know what they are in my ear. So if you've got anything to say, please do let me shout out. Okay, back to walking. Carolina Gumpas is down there. And breathe in a small shape. Small as you can go, tiny, tiny. And a long shape. Wide shape. A shape on one leg. A shape on one hand and one leg. And swap.
Move like a rocket.
And swap. And swap. A shake on your bottom. And a pedal. Diane. Let's have a little sip before our next dance. We're going to have a shake out. So have tiny sips of water. Just a little one. And let's get to shaking out Sigler Mass. Warming up those hands. Let's get them really warm. Flamerland Adola.
Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
Lana Brachian.
Too many
Up
days,
those arms.
but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people
And then you
say.
say.
That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind.
Balance Sigler Mass. Ready to shake? Sigler Brachian. Loud. Alan. Down and up. Squeeze out. Get his shoulders nice and warm now.
I'm lighting on my feet, and that's what they don't see.
And the other side.
They don't see. I'm dancing on my own. I'll make the moves up as I go. As I go.
Off last.
They don't know. That's what they don't know.
Craig Hillside. Make circles with those shoulders.
Can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got
Roller.
music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright.
Baladi shimmy.
Players gonna play, and the hands gonna hey.
Sigler Mass.
Shake,
Shake those shoulders out.
shake it out.
Loud. Bottom. Corners. Top. Corners.
I'm just gonna shake, shake it out.
Closer. Inner. Swap. Swap. Etta. Toymaland and Penguin, yeah. Warm up those knees.
My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, but I'm just gonna shake into the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come on over, baby? We can shake, shake, shake.
Baladi Sigler. Yeah. Closer ass right. Reach your heavens. Irfanelli to the corners. Bottom. Top. More loud, I think that's it. Big as you can go. With a squeeze eye. With a pen. Voila. Tubby. That's a hard one. Pedal. Diane. Whew. Take another sip of water. Have a little sip now. Just to my back. Yeah. And you're messed in now. We're going to do a bit of stretching. Get those muscles nice and long.
This feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy
Deep
when I
breaths.
turn it on. All in my city, all through my
Maybe a little bit of
home.
bending.
We're flying up no ceiling when
Warming
we're
up those
in my
waist.
zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket.
Bit faster.
Got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
And even bigger with the arms. Get that breathe here. Reach.
So don't stop.
In right, one arm. Akira.
Where to hide when I'm getting you close.
Both.
When we move, well, you already know.
Big sway. Twist, trophy. And we're gonna swipe, swipe. Big as you can. Twist, trophy. Right, close side. And swap.
It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing.
Close side, in off bar.
Don't need no reason, don't be control. I fly so high, no
Goblin.
ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause
Tired.
sunshine in my pocket, got that
Alright.
in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
Goblin.
I can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it.
Sparrow, do most of the break there.
Lights when everything goes.
Very nice.
That I hide when I'm getting you close.
The thigh.
We move where you already know. So just to know
Sing along. Sparrow, do trophy. Twist.
I can see but you when you dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance.
Swipe, swipe.
I shouldn't do, but you dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing.
Back to the twist. Trophy.
So just dance. So just dance.
Loud, loud, loud. Down, down, up. Down, down, up.
I can't stop
Good for you. And Tony Man.
I can't stop the. I can't stop the. I can't stop the.
Barbie trophy.
I can see but you when you dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance.
Ready to swipe.
Things I shouldn't do, but you dance. Ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing.
Trophy. I plug your close there. Sigma mask. Down. Cut in the back with doors. A tiny bit more water again in between every dance. Ooh. For a dab pub, good morning. If you're just joining us, we're going to get even sweatier now. I hope you're ready. Okay. Here we go then. I hope you can click your hands. If you can't, you can pretend. Sometimes it doesn't work with me either. Ready? We're going to swing low.
Hold on to me. Don't let me go. Who cares what they see? Who cares what
And now
they
it's just
know?
slow.
Your first name is free. Last name is down.
And Dublin.
She would still believe in where we're from.
Oh, Aaron.
Man for flower. It's in every living
And William O'Reilly. A roller coaster. Round and your upper. So click. Round and click. Click. Round and click. Round. Now as big as you can go.
Hold on to me. Don't let me go. The cheetahs need to eat. Run antelope.
Goblin.
First name is King. Last name is Dumb. Cause you still believe in everyone.
Faraday step and abdomen. Upper, heel, upper, close. Upper, heel, upper, close. So it's step side, behind, side, and in. Go dark with the music. Ready, steady, up we go. Step behind, step together, step behind, step together, step behind, step together. And if you're feeling energetic, you can have a little jump. Step, behind, step, and jump. Step, behind, step, and jump. Step, behind, step, and jump. And clap. Diane Pow. Rainbow arms. Bell and wrist. How about those roller coaster arms? We're going to do a little gallop. Good. Have to go a little bit faster with this song. Diane Pow. Stop. Normally plug your quest leg.
If you feel like a room without a roof, clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Bad. Major inclusive fast. Like slow motion running. Jumping from one leg to the other. How about a step up? Step, hop, step. Touch your knee and hop.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
A message, loud, a message.
Happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Alright, clap ya.
Bring me down, ain't nothing. Bring me down, and love is too hard.
At your end. A bit faster. Try and see if you can look forward to keep you from getting too dizzy. Aros. Diane Pow. Lovely, lovely turning. Marches. You can get your knee all the way up to your hand. Balance. Swap. Back to the first leg. Close center. And your left in. Agabested. Ooh, Diane Pow. Close flat, close flat. Die. Now in. Slowly back. Tired. Roller coaster. If you feel like happiness is the truth, clap along if you know what happiness is. You further up. No, I'm out. No, I'm out. Tired. Running out of. Sigla mass. Shake it out. Good. Okay. Have a little sip of water. That's all our really energetic stuff done for this morning. And we'll finish with a nice deep stretch, a stretch and a breathe. And Mesti Nakanadli. Barad? Here we go. So we're going to start sitting down Dechrau yn eistedd lawr. Croesi i'r coesau neu aros gyda nhw mas. You can fold your knees or you can stretch them out, whatever is more comfy for you. But we're just going to take a sit down. We're going to listen to the beating in our hearts. I'm sure they're pumping quite fast now. They're pumping on gobble me out. And see if we can get our breathing to slow down a little bit. Taking deep breaths in through the nose, mewn y troed. And mas trwy'r cig, out through the mouth. Deep breaths in. And out. This time we're going to bring our arms up to the ceiling, reaching as tall as you can. And forward. Gather in and up to the ceiling. Like an aeroplane, we're going to lean our arms fel awyren. If you haven't already, stretching out those legs and almost as if you're brushing up all the dust, brush up out the dust, pushing away and reaching up, brushing up. Ymestyn mor fawr ych chi'n gallu. Ar ffordd arall, mewn. The other way. Breathing out. The next time you reach forward, let's see if we can reach for those toes. As if you could kiss your knees. If you can kiss your knees, kiss your knees. Oh, I can't reach. Diane. Very well done, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope you really had fun. Yn gobeithio bod chi gyd wedi cael hwyl. Mae pawb tyma bach yn sweaty fel fi. I hope you're sweating as much as I am. And I will see you on Thursday. Cawn ni weld chi ar dydd Iau hefyd. Da iawn pawb.